After using tagging for Windows for some time, several tag groups may have been made with interesting tags in it. Perhaps you want to backup these tags and their links to your files and folders. Or perhaps you want to transfer this data to another computer. All can be accomplished using the export function. The export function is available on a tag group, or on the tag's root, and even a folder. In this example, the tag's root is chosen as starting point of the export. It will create a dataset containing tag groups, tags, and the links to the files and folders on your system. When the export is finished, the dataset, or TFX file, can be backed up, shared, emailed, whatever you want. Of course, the dataset can also be opened. It is done with the import application. There is a series of videos about it which you can watch as well.